So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to adjust or how to change the ringtone volume on your iPhone 15. I'm using the Pro Max, but this works on all the iPhone 15 models. So what you want to do is simply go into settings. Just go to the main settings page. On the settings page, go to sounds and haptics, tap on that, and then you have this slider to adjust the ringtone volume. Okay, so you can just slide right to increase and slide left to decrease. If you want a quicker way of doing this, then you can enable change with buttons. So if you enable that, you can use the buttons to change the ringtone volume at any time. Okay, so as you can see, we're enabling, we are increasing using volume up and decreasing using volume down. You can see the animation in the dynamic island at the top there. All right, so those are the two ways of adjusting or changing the ringtone volume on your iPhone 15. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.